Well, hello everybody. I am out in my front yard and I wanted to share some of my roses that are starting to bloom well. And these are drift roses. These are the apricot drift roses. Aren't they gorgeous? They are just beautiful, and they have such a range of color as they open. Just beautiful, beautiful. Now let's go across my driveway. Bear with me. I'm on my walker. Me and my walker. And show you the yellow and pink ones that are coming out pretty. Okay, they're just beginning to open up their blooms really well. As you can see, the yellow ones, and then the pink ones. Okay. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm shooting through the fence, as you can tell. More yellow. And then I have this one down here that it's not a red, but it's a pink, but it opens up with a yellow center. It's kind of really pretty. Let me go over the fence here, give you a good look at that. And then they're going down the fence this way, and you can't see too much, but the front flower beds, the flowers there probably won't bloom for another month, but when they get all popped out, I'll certainly show those to you. But I just wanted to share with you these beautiful flowers this morning. Welcome everybody, and for all of you out there who love your paper crafts, you love your journaling, and for those of you who love to document your self-care journey or help someone else to do that for themselves, the digitals that my daughter and I are creating at Relate and Create Company are designed to do that. And I am showing the releases here so that you get a good look at some of the products that you could use now or in the future. The link to the Relate and Create Company on Etsy is in the title heading of my channel, so it's easy there to find. Moonlit Mind. This is a junk journal pack with 5 pages of ephemera and 10 pages folded over, which makes 20 pages for your junk journaling. Now, what is it about? Let me read you the first page. You're here because you can't turn it off. The thoughts, the feelings, the noise no one else hears. Maybe it's something someone said or didn't say. Maybe it's everything at once or nothing you can name. You're just carrying more than your chest was made to hold. Let this space catch it, the mess, the loops, the weight you can't set down anywhere else. You don't need answers here, just a place to let it out, let it be, let it rest. A wonderful journal for healing, for documenting our feelings and our journey, putting down things that we don't tell anyone else. And sometimes we don't even tell ourselves, but they come out when we write. And that's very important, working through these problems. So self-care is a priority. This is Beacon 2 of our Starting Over journal. There are 4 of these Beacon packs to the entire journal. Let me give you the title page on this one. So here you are, not at the beginning, but definitely not at the end. The part after the tears, after the shock, after you've told people what happened and they stop checking in. This is the part where it gets real, where it gets hard, where it gets quiet. In the first journal, maybe you were still numb or just barely holding yourself together. But this one is different. This one is for the mornings when you have to make decisions you never wanted. For the nights when you sit with paperwork, bills, and silence. For the in-between moments. Too tired to cry. Too wired to sleep. This one is for what comes next. This is definitely a wonderful starting over journal. Each of these have, I believe, 21 pages in them. Beacon 1 is up and Beacon 2 is now up on the Etsy channel. And it takes you from the very first day when your life falls apart through the healing process and the getting on with life and making your pathway successful. These pages can help you to lay out a plan to take control back of your life. If you or someone you know needs this, please check it out. We have several packs going up. That is a full-page journaling pack. Very good to put in a binder, a notebook, and work like that. And it comes with a companion set of worksheets. So you get the affirmation part, the part that helps you to write it down, plot it out, decide, make decisions. And then you get the part that says, well, how do I do this? The worksheets that take you through all those steps, okay? So these come in 2 parts. Sometimes the person only wants the worksheet. Sometimes they want both. So the garden that grew after. I love the expressions here. I don't need permission to bloom. Pulling the weeds. Even buried seeds know how to reach for the light. I am not what hurt me. I am what I choose to grow next. This is where you get the thoughts and the determination and the pathway. Very wonderful self-care packs. Like I said, for you or someone you know, there are so many people in the world hurting. They have nothing that helps them. These definitely are good companions for that very thing. Now, there is a whole narcissism category on our Etsy shop. And in there you will find packs of worksheets that help you work through the narcissistic relationship you may be in or the one that you've gotten out of, and finding the parts and pieces of yourself that relationship, that very toxic, overpowering, destroying relationship does to a person. Living with a narcissist is one of the worst things that can ever happen to a person. Reclaiming their life is one of the hardest things they'll ever do. And the worst part is nobody seems to know where to begin. So these different worksheet packs help you to clarify all these steps and help you pull your life back together. Verifying you're not crazy. All the gaslighting that goes on, a narcissist is an expert at it. They can make you believe the unbelievable and accept the unacceptable. You're not crazy. You just need to take back your life. From shame to clarity, a narcissist can make you believe that everything is your fault. You need to be able to release that guilt, untangle that manipulation, and reclaim your life. So you or someone you know may want these worksheets to help you work through, clear the path, clear the garbage and see what's real and what isn't real. So those are the new ones. Let me see, I have some more here. This is another one that's going into the narcissist category. A narcissist will make you believe that when you set boundaries, when you say, I'm not going to take this, I don't want to live this way, no, it's not my fault. They hate that. And their retaliation, you're mean, you're unreasonable, you're the reason all this is happening. How do you set boundaries? And how do you believe that they are not what the narcissist says they are? Boundaries are a way of showing self-respect. And if you don't show self-respect, you can't expect anyone else to show you respect. Very important pack here, this worksheet pack. Now we have another dual companion set going up. Stitching myself whole. Sewing up emotional wounds, not to hide them, but to honor them. This is the worksheet package. I can't remember exactly, maybe there are 11 or let's see, 15, maybe 15 sheets to this one. This is the worksheet pack that goes with the journaling companion, okay? This is your affirmation. This is where you do the good things, the bright things, the wonderful things, where you remake yourself. This is where you work through all that, the things you need to do, the path you need to take, the mindset you need to build. Two together make a wonderful, wonderful aid. But they're sold separately, so no one has to buy them all. They can buy one or the other, however they think that they need to work through it. This says, Dear Journaler, welcome to this journal, a safe space for stitching yourself whole. Here we thread our pain not to hide our scars, but to honor them. Let each page be a stitch, each reflection a knot, to strengthen your understanding and compassion for what you've endured. In this process, may you find gentle release and healing. Wonderful, wonderful. I hope that, again, that if you're in need of such help, you'll check these out. And if you know of anyone else that you'll let them know about our shop. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, let's all take very good self-care.